Okay, so today I've written a little poem about Bonfire Night, which I actually did on Bonfire Night, but I've only just decided to share it with you guys because you are all beautiful people. Which I did on Bonfire Night, obviously. So I'm going to read it now, just as I go get a charger, because my recording camera is about to die. But it won't die if it's on charge, obviously. So I'm just going to go get that, and I will be right back. Okay then, as you know, because I've showed you, there's dogs on the sofa. And there is another one. Oh, yeah. Hello, Poppy, sweetheart. But let's read out this poem. So it's called Bonfire Night. Smoke sneakily and silently soars from the welcoming fire upon your door. Guy Fawkes enters his retire as he enters his flaming throne of fire. Adults and children get out their winter attire whilst they carefully stand around the blazing bonfire. Guy is dead and burnt to crisp. Adults and children are scared at risk. Like volcanoes, Roman candles erupt. It seems the pie and peas have already been cooked. Catherine wheels spin up high as fireworks go tripping and skipping in the sky. I lay comfortably in my bed with a very sleepy head, hoping to see the last rocket fly. Ooh, look! That rocket went high. I think I've just seen the last rocket fly. Okay then, I hope you enjoyed my poem, and if you did, like and be sure to subscribe. And I will see you next time. Goodbye!